Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add links in Google Docs using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and highlight text or place the cursor where you want the link. Next, press Ctrl plus K or click Insert Link from the top menu to open the link dialog. Then paste the URL into the box or type a search term to find a page and then click Apply. After that, to edit or remove the link, click the linked text and choose Edit, that's the pencil icon, or Removed, that's the trash icon from the pop-up. Finally, if you want the link to open in a new tab when shared, advise viewers to click or to right-click the link and select Open in a new tab, useful for keeping the doc open while browsing referenced pages. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.